Hey everyone, welcome back to ShaloTek. My name is Travis, and today we're showing off the Flex. What you're about to see is a bunch of rounds getting run through this thing, but what we really want to point out is the fact that we are using our aluminum FCU housing, but we are using our 3D printed magazine housing. There's been a lot of questions that we've seen being popped up of people love the idea, but they're not quite sure if it's going to hold together. So to prove a point and just kind of show the first round firings, we wanted to mate the two pieces together that shouldn't be mated probably together and just put a bunch of rounds through this thing. Just to clarify, the lower is going to be made out of aluminum as well. But again, we just wanted to show everyone that this thing runs and runs and runs, put together with aluminum and 3D printed plastic. So enjoy the video, we'll be back soon.